Hi, my name is Sumayya, programmer, data analyst, and trainer. I'm from India and I'm highly experienced in SAS, a leading tool in data analytics. I speak three languages: English, Malayalam, and Tamil. I'm a certified trainer and I have over 12 years of experience with clinical SAS, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and other industry standard tools. As my student, you can expect engaging lectures followed by thorough lab activities, real time scenario tasks, regular assignments, professional interview guidance, interview questions, and certification preparation, including mock test and examinations. I strongly believe that with dedication and practice, you can master in any skill you need. And with the right tutor, the possibilities are endless. So I say, if you are ready to dive into the world of data analytics, let us begin the journey together.